saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong?
So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'll be showing you guys how I installed these Fox locks on my hair. These are the new locks and I did receive them from Youngther here. I will insert a clip right here of when I received the package, what it looks like in the packaging, and what came in the packaging as well. So again, I did get this here from Youngther here, and I have this flyer here. So it does says new locks / passion, and I am wearing the new locks right now, and this is what the inside looks like, telling you how to install. So I really love the way that this looks. It is super natural looking, like I am a Rasta right now, like which I call that's a Rastafari. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys the installation process. I decided to show you guys the hair close up and what it looks like. This is it right out of the package. It is 24 inches long and it is in the color 1B. They do come pre-looped, so I'm just showing you guys right here. And as you guys can see, this lock is like super natural looking. It is bouncy, it's not too stiff, and the coils are really tight, and it is super easy to work with, guys. In their packaging, you will receive a crochet tool. You will also receive 2 duck clips that you can use to section out your hair. And also you get this hair accessory. I got 4 pieces of hair accessory that you can add to your style once you're finished. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the whole installation process. I did start my hair the day before because I knew that this would take up some time. So to save time today, I went ahead and I did majority of my hair off camera. So I do have some leave outs that I already braided up. As you guys can see, I braided my hair halfway down and then I twisted the rest up. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys a close-up of what it looks like at the root. As you guys can see, I did not braid it too tight to the root because you do need your fox locks to go underneath. So I'm starting off the process by pushing the crochet tool under the braid. I am attaching the fox locks to the hair and then I pull it underneath. So I grabbed my natural hair as well as the fox locks, put it on the hook, close the latch, and then I pull it through the loop. So you want to pull that hair snug to ensure that it is secure to your hair, and you should have something looking like that. Now once that is down, I'm going to go ahead and push the hook through the fox locks itself and push it up towards the base of where my natural hair meets the crochet lock. So you want to ensure that you are pushing the hook like really close so that your hair does not show. So once I do that, I take my hair, attach it to the hook, and then I pull it through the fox locks. So you should have something looking like this. To do this process, I did pull my hair through the fox locks 2 to 3 times depending on the length of my hair. So you do want to ensure that your hair is secure inside, and to do so you will push your hook right at the base of where your hair comes out of the fox locks, and then you attach it to your hook and pull it through the fox locks. Alright, so I have a little bit left off. I'm just gonna go ahead and push the hook just a little bit under where my hair stops so that I can ensure that all my hair is inside of the fox locks. Push it up to the base. As you guys can see, I am using my hand to guide me. Right here I realized that the hook was too far off from where my ear stopped, so I pushed it back in and went closer and I pulled it through. So when you're done, you should have a lock looking as if it is growing out of your scalp, natural looking, and you're not seeing your natural hair at all. It is secured inside. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys this process one more time. So I did get 6 packs of hair, and in each pack you do get 21 locks. However, I did use only 3.5 packs to achieve this style today. This was a fairly easy process to do. Once you get the hang of pushing your hair through the fox locks itself, it becomes easy over time. And this process did take me 7 hours to do. And that is simply because of the method that I chose to do. And because I pre-braided my natural hair before attaching the locks to my hair, that took time, so that's the reason why it took 7 hours. Okay, but if you guys did it the traditional way, like it does show in the flyer that comes with the hair, it shows you the traditional way of just cornrowing your hair and attaching the locks. I ensure you that it will take up to 2 hours or even less than 2 hours to install, but because of this individual crochet method that I am doing, it took 7 hours. Also, I chose the individual method because of how natural looking it is, and you can part your hair in any direction you want, and it's just for the whole natural look that it has when you're finished. So once the hair is finished being installed, I go in with my real Jamaican black castor oil. This is from the Perfect Hair and Skin line, and I go ahead and I apply that mostly to my edges right there where I have my sparse area, and also I drag some throughout my hair, and then I go ahead and give my head a good massage. Once my hair is moisturized, I go in with the Nitro Canada hair wax, and you know what time it is. It is time to smooth my edges down. So this is what the hair is looking like so far, guys. I really like it, and also this locks is like super lightweight. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the accessories that I got onto my hair just to zazz it up a little bit. So once I did that, I went ahead and styled my hair. So I decided to keep the hair out of my face today, so I am pulling one side back, and right on the other side I decided to do like a little bang in the front. and then I go ahead and secure my hair with my hair tie once I like the way that it looks. I also went into my kerchief and tied down my hair so that my edges can last me all day. And this is the final result, you guys. I really like these locks. Look how natural looking they are, guys. Like, the individual crochet method makes this look super natural and easy to work with. So if you guys did learn something today, and if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please turn on your post notification, click that bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I will see you in my next video, guys. Peace.